Welcome. Hello, everyone. This is Lottie, and this is my quick and parley software overview. If you want to know all about the marketing tools, I can share it with you in this video. On this video, I want to share with you the tools that has helped my business grow, and it can also help you too. So I'm just sharing this software to you. Take a look at it because we have 3 plans. We have the Pioneer plan, we have the Mogul plan, and we have Tycoon plan. So the Tycoon plan is unlimited. You can use the tools every month. You get a fresh new tool. Everything is unlocked for you. You can use any tools. Now with the Pioneer plan, you're only limited with so many projects that you can do. And the Mobile is open. That's another plan that is open for you with little more tools for you to use. It depends on how serious you are with your business. So you pick your plan that fits for you. Okay, so I'm going to share with you some of the tools. This is Scribble. You can create awesome AI ebooks here. You have Presenter. You can create presentations with AI for your business. You have eCoverly. It creates animated e-covers for you. You have Income Genie. It is just like Canva. You can use this and create your business cards, logos, letterheads. You can do pretty much everything that you do in Canva. You can do it in Income Genie. Then you have Profit Studio. You can promote other people's products with this affiliate marketing software. You get tools introduced to you a month ahead before it comes out. And then you have Skrindle. Skrindle is an ebook store. You can create as many ebooks. You can create as many stores. This is a digital ebook platform. You can create and upload it into the marketplace. No waiting. You can upsell anything. You can just sell any of your ebooks there and run your affiliate program here too. You have Talkable. This is you can create audio ebooks with AI. You have Teachingly. This is a all-in-one course platform. You can create and teach your audience, your students here. You can do many courses, and it's unlimited to you if you're a tycoon. Okay, so Scribble. You can sell Scribble, be an awesome authorized reseller to resell Scribble. That's an ebook AI platform. Then you have Landingly. You can create sales funnels. You can sell your digital products here. You can email your list here and grow your list. You have Submitter. Submitter, you can upload any of your ebooks and blast it across the internet. You have Colorly. Colorly creates awesome coloring AI books. You have Voicely. Voicely is a voice recording marketing tool that you can use for your blogs. You can voice message to your email list too as well and upload it, and people can hear your message. Then you have QR codes. You can create unlimited QR codes if you're a tycoon. You can put a picture. You can generate different types of codes. And then you have eSignly. eSignly is an e-document signing. You have Clickly. Clickly is kind of like Bitly. You can create short links. You have Taskly. If you need to be organized, this is a great tool that you can use to manage your task every day and helps you focus on your vision and your goals. Logo is an instant design maker. Bannerly is also an instant banner maker. Then you have Appointly. You can appoint and make appointments to your clients and schedule calls to here. Bookmarkly is like I think it's like Linktree. You can create links, and people can click on it and take you wherever you want them to go. You have Capturely. Capturely does screenshots for you on the computer or anywhere. And then you get Transcribely. It transcribes your messages in all different languages. You have in Parley affiliates. You can earn recurring commissions here with all 3 plans. If you're a pioneer or a mogul or a tycoon, you can earn in Parley, be an affiliate for Parley. And then you have Invoicely. It creates and generates invoices for you with faster payment, smarter invoices. Then you can create with Thumbly instant AI thumbnails. You can create a storybook with characters and scenes with character Storybookly. This one's a great one. Then you can set up a Reviewly with your reviews to your audience, to your students, to your clients, whatever that they can see, that they'll be able to review. And then you have Characterly. It turns your ideas to characters. You can create awesome characters here and share it to the world. You have Helpdeskly. It supports satisfaction success for your business, so you have a back office of Helpdeskly to help anyone. Then you have Surveyly. You can create surveys for your clients, for your customers. You can create write out questions where they can help them focus on what they need. And then you have Recordly. Recordly is a record screen, and you can explain, you can actually share it all over the world, what you're sharing, what video, and much more. And then there's going to be more new tools every month, so I thank you for listening in. These are some of the tools that I have shared with all of you. And if you want to make a decision about it, I will put it below this video, and I will offer all 3 plans. So whatever plan you want to get in, because this will save you lots of money, and you can cancel your expensive for subscription if you're paying more. And I know you're paying more, so why not start with Parley and start saving.